In today's video, I continue working on the 1961 Dodge Dart Phoenix. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today, I'm going to continue working on the Phoenix and see if I get the motor out, and I'm also going to try to get the tranny out. On my last video, when I was draining the motor oil, I looked at the tranny and it was leaking and it looked like it hasn't been out for a long time. I hate to go through all this work, put a motor in it, and the tranny not work. I don't know if the tranny works or not, so I'm going to go ahead and take them both out, and I'm going to try to do that today. So let's get to work. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I got my drain pan here. I'm going to drain the transmission. As you can see, I already got the hood off. My wife helped me and she didn't want to be on camera while I did this, so we took it off a little earlier. All right, let's go ahead and do this thing. All right, let's see if we can break this loose. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but this is also where the dipstick goes into. Haven't seen a transmission do that before. I guess that's how they did it. Ain't much in there, but I swear when I had it, it said full. Of course, it wasn't running, so I don't know. Also, that means it's just gonna make a really big mess when it comes out, basically. Next thing I'm gonna try to do is take out my gear selector rod. That's here, right here. I gotta take out this screw and let's see, it's kind of tricky. What I was reading in the my manual for it. Alright, always make sure it's in reverse before taking this off. That's what it says in the manual. Alright guys, I got the cable out. I tried to get the pan off. They put so much a gasket material, the sealer, on there. It's gonna need a lot. I'm gonna have to cut it off with the blade. I couldn't get it off, and so I went back and read my manual, and it said that this part right here, the shield, I had to come all the way off. Well, the threads were so bad, it took me so long just to get it off that I just stopped filming. I was just, it took so long. I finally did it, and I put a screwdriver in there, and there's a little clip that goes right on. I'm gonna say it's right here that holds it on there. Did a little pressure, and it came right out. So I'm glad it did that, because I don't think I could have got off the oil pan. Put a couple of the screws back in there, because it's not coming off. I just did that just maybe, but I don't think it will. So next thing I got to do is I got to get the throttle linkage, the kickdown, off of it, and that is right here, and it's just held on by a pin and a cotter pin, and it feels like it's about ready to break off anyways. The cotter pin is. So, yeah, see, there that is. There it goes. Okay, that's out. And then I have a little, this is the neutral safety switch wire. I'm gonna take that off. Alright guys, I'm going to show you something here. I've never seen this before. You know, well, I guess because I own Chevys always. But this is my drive shaft. I have never seen anything. It almost looks like a converter, a torque converter. That's called, like, I think a trunnion, it said. I looked it up. And it doesn't have a universal joint. The back one does. Which has been, this whole thing's been taken down. I have never seen it. This is very, very odd. I'm gonna go ahead. All right, as you can see, I got the drive shaft out. Now I'm gonna get the transmission mount out, or I'm gonna sure give it a try. There we go. All right. I decided I'm not going to keep the exhaust. So why am I trying to save it? So I'm not going to. Let's see. Let's see. One and two. Oh no. Alright. Next thing, I think that is the brake cable right there that goes to the transmission. Let me see. Here. Alright, as you can see, I've gotten everything pretty much ready. I got the chain on there for the engine hoist. I think I got everything taken off right now, so I have my buddy Sean here. We're gonna go ahead and take this out. Alright, let's go ahead and see if this is gonna work. What you doing? Is it still? There it is. That it? That's it. As you can see, we got the motor and tranny out. I'm gonna tell you right now, that motor and tranny is probably the heaviest and the longest of any one I've ever done before. It was terribly, terribly heavy. But we got it out with the help of my buddy Sean. I want to thank him for sure, because without him, I'm pretty sure I probably couldn't have done it. With that being said, tune in every Saturday morning for a brand new video. Also, follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Dad Life Projects, or email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. Also, once you check out these two videos right here, hit that subscribe button down below, and remember, any project you do, big or small, you are the project manager. Thank you.